The next feature we'll look at is the extruded cut. This feature works exactly the same way as the extruded boss, except it removes material instead of adding material. Like the extruded boss, the profile for the extruded cut is defined in a sketch. The command can be launched from the drop-down menu or by using the extruded cut icon in the command manager, which shows a box with a hole in it, and of course it's found in the S key shortcut menu as well. When using this command, I suggest you change to an isometric view so you can clearly see the direction of the cut. Otherwise, you may be surprised at the result. The properties available for the extruded cut are almost identical to those of the extruded boss. There's one exception, an additional end condition that's very useful when removing material. Through all, it's very common to create cuts that go through entire parts. The through all option allows you to achieve this without having to type in the thickness of the material you're cutting. A nice benefit of using through all is that even if the thickness of the part changes, the cut will still go through the entire part. Be careful though, you don't want to cut away material accidentally.